Do you love Legos? Do you want to know how to make them come alive? Stay tuned to find out how. This spot is brought to you by M. Urick Design. The Phoenixville Public Library is hosting a Lego stop-motion workshop on Saturday, June 16th and Saturday, June 23rd. Animator Keville Bowen is running the 2-day workshop and will teach the basics of stop-motion animation to teens ranging from 6th grade to 12th grade. A tablet device, such as an iPad or Android, is needed for the event. Don't have a tablet? No worries. Participants will be split into groups of 3, with each group needing at least one device. You must also download the Stop Motion Studio app by Cat Eater before the session. Space is limited and registration is required, so book your spot now under the teen calendar on the library's website. Keep in mind, attendance for both sessions is strongly suggested, so plan accordingly. Always wanted your imagination to come to life? Now's your chance with Legos. For Voxy Pop, I'm Troy Johnson.